We as consumers are used to packaging. Whether it's our vegetables, fruit, cosmetics or electronics, everything is packaged in a specific way. Sometimes the skill and expertise that goes into this packaging is underestimated. Nedupack Thermoforming is the expert when it comes to packaging and protecting your products. We design and produce everything in-house for both food and non-food industry. We manufacture blister packs for product presentation, transportation trays for the industrial sector, and we design protection cushions for consumer electronic parts. We also design packaging to suit the specific requirements of the customer. Design, development, prototype and production tooling are all done in-house by our team of experts. Our team discusses your requirements with you. We then provide a 3D sketch. Once approval is received, we generate a prototype tool and provide samples. These samples can be used for marketing sign-off, fitness for purpose and testing. Should any changes or modification be required, these can be done at this stage. Once sample approval is received, we then proceed with the production tooling. All production tooling is made in-house. We use CAD/CAM to draw and mill the tool. Once milling is complete, evacuation holes are bored. Tool is polished and then thoroughly checked. The tool then runs on our production machines. The film is heated and fed through the machine to be molded and cut out. Parts are placed and stacked by pick-and-place robots, a fully automated process. Products are then packed into boxes, sealed to prevent transport damage and shipped to the customer. All our products are made to high standards. So whether it comes to small or large, simple or complex packaging, we can always deliver. Expertise, innovation, quality, flexibility and cost-effectiveness are our strong points. Nedupack Thermoforming, forming the difference.